Hello, this is a quick tutorial video showing you how to complete your homework help orientation session. First thing you'll want to do is go to homeworkhelp.epiccharterschools.org if it's not already located on your dashboard or on your bookmarks. Log in using your typical password, username and password. When you get to your home screen, it's going to look something like this. And the best way for you to complete your session will be to request an on-demand session. It's going to auto-populate your grade here. On the select subject, typically when you log in, you're going to select which subject you need help with, but for today, we're just going to select English. Select category. You're going to select orientation today because that's what we need to do. Your curriculum will be virtual classroom and tools. Select course, the introduction to the virtual classroom. You do not need to upload anything at this time for this. And when it says question, just type in the word orientation and hit submit. When you hit submit here, it is going to take a moment and find you a tutor. Okay, I'm not going to hit submit because I'm in someone else's session here. You're going to see this little people-y thing pop up where it's going to find you a tutor. When you get to your tutor, it will, well, on second thought, let me go ahead and do that. Even though he's already done it, it won't hurt. Because I do want to show you a little bit about it. See, it's going to put you in contact with a tutor. When it pops up, you're going to have a little box down here in the corner that you chat with this person, and they're going to lead you through an orientation on how to use, move the screen over a little bit here, this whiteboard session here, okay? You can talk to them by typing in here. I've lost my tutor, which is actually okay in this case. By typing in the box here, they're going to join you and type in here. You have the power to turn on or off the volume. You can turn it up and the computer will read it to you. Some kids don't like that voice.
Hello, Atile.
So they turn it off, which is just by muting your volume there, okay? You would type in a message here. Remember to be polite because these things are recorded. Your tutor will go through, teach you how to use all of these things. At the very end of the session, she's going to say, would you like me to end the session? You say yes, and then you have to wait. Do not log out yet. It's going to ask you to fill out a feedback form where it shows you a rating scale of 1 to 5. You rate the tutor based on how you think they did. 1 is bad, 5 is good. And then you hit submit. Once you do that, then it's going to take you back to your home screen. And then you can log out in the upper right-hand corner. So that's how you're going to get started. Complete the whole thing. It'll send me a message when you do. If you have any questions, feel free to text me or call me.